Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the air filter in your Tesla Model Y. First, gather your supplies. 2 new cabin air filters, a plastic pry tool, and a T20 Torx screwdriver. Before starting, make sure your vehicle's climate control system is turned off. This simple maintenance task helps maintain excellent air quality inside your car, ensuring a fresh and comfortable driving experience for you and your passengers. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. Now, let's access the filter housing. Begin by moving the passenger seat all the way back and removing the floor mat. Next, gently use your pry tool to release the right side panel from the center console. You will then need to carefully disconnect 2 electrical connectors from the footwell cover. Once these are detached, you can remove the footwell cover, revealing the air filter housing behind it. Take your time with these steps to avoid any damage. With the housing exposed, it's time to replace the filters. First, remove the screw or squeeze the tabs that secure the filter cover, then set the cover aside. Gently pull out the upper cabin filter, followed by the lower one. Notice their orientation. Now take your new filters. Insert the lower filter first, making sure the airflow arrows point towards the rear of the vehicle. Then, slide in the upper filter, ensuring its arrows also face the rear. This is crucial for proper air circulation. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinstall the filter cover, securing it with the screw or by engaging the tabs. Carefully reconnect the 2 electrical connectors to the footwell cover. Then, reattach the footwell cover and snap the side panel back into its original position. Don't forget to reposition your floor mat. For best results, Tesla recommends replacing these cabin filters every 2 years to ensure fresh, clean air inside your Model Y.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.